So I'm Miles from Allendale Machinery. So essentially this is a collaborative robot. So essentially what you would do, I'd set this machine up, or my robot next to a machine, put like a pallet of parts, bunch of parts in there. It's gonna go talk with the machine, load a part in, machine will run, pull the part back out. The way you teach it is very simple right here. Just go to the moves and I say, I want the robot to go over here, and it can move there. My other option for teaching it position, I can just press this button and physically move it to the position. Once I have it say this is where I want it to go, I'd go and say this is the spot I want it to go to, save that position, and that's how this is laid out. I guess the way the flow of the program would work, in this case, go back to the top here, in this case I'm telling the gripper to open, telling it to go to this position, which I've labeled above spot 1, go to spot 1, pick that part up, and go back above, and then go to where it needs to go. So essentially it's just a flow of teaching different positions on the robot. So what this robot would be used for is essentially if I'm in a manufacturing shop, I have my machine running all day, and then it's the end of the day, I want to keep my machine running. Load your pallet of parts in, and then your robot is going to just keep loading parts in the machine and keep the machine running without anyone needing to be there.